Hello, I'm Lesley Logan, and today we're doing breaststroke on the reformer. So breaststroke on the reformer is pretty tough, and I don't even have a person here to help me. So it's going to be really tough. If you have a spotter, I'll tell you kind of where the spotter can be and how to use that. But the also cool thing about having a spotter is I really have to focus on my length more than anything. I think a lot of times people get focused on the lift and beautiful back bends that they see in Instagram or something like that. So it's totally fine. You can absolutely enjoy a good back bend, but breaststroke is really about this length. It's the longest extension you can make. And there's also some preps you can get down with. So one heavy spring is on. You grab your handles and you want to hook your thumbs and then pull and grab your carriage. Then when you come on, ideally, you have your kneecaps on the box, and your hands can be up here or down here. I like them to be down here. I even like them to be here so that they're all the way behind me. And then when you kick your seat, this is where you want to be careful that you don't kick your hips up. So press your tailbone down, lift your low abs, and then when you kick your seat, think about 3 hamstring curls. And then when you reach your arms forward, if you had a spotter, they'd press down into your calves, and you could go longer and longer and longer and longer and longer, and then you kick. Now, it's really important as I reach my arms wide that I don't stop pushing out into my arms. I keep reaching out into my arms so I stay connected to my spring in my back, because I'm trying to get as much length as possible here, right? If I'm going to do the reverse, you kick 3 times. You press down, you reach your arms wide, and you're long, and then you get longer as you go down, right? So a spotter really helps keep you from lifting your legs up, and so you don't lose the length of your lower back. Now you could do a combo, right? So you kick, reach, open, don't rest. You got to pull it back, get as long as you can, and go all the way down. If you're wondering, what's the prep here, Lesley? So the prep would be to not lift up at all, instead to reach the arms forward, open them out to the side, kind of like you're swimming, literally like you're swimming. You know, do a few of those, and you can transition into your horseback. It is definitely an exercise that you can do the prep sooner than you'll probably do the full exercise, and you might do the prep sooner than you do swan here on the reformer. But think about the length, right? The longest lower back you can give, the better. So if you are new to this, I would definitely have a spotter. Make sure they stand at the back of the reformer and they press down on your calves, so that not to lift you up, but to give you something to reach in and away to, like into, right? So you're not using them to get your lift. As you can see, without a spotter, I can get some nice length and height. So it is possible to do it without a spotter. But you really have to work your low abs and your lower back to be long. Does that make sense? If you have any questions about this, when to add it in, please put in the comments below. I'm happy to help you with it. And for more videos like this, make sure you subscribe to our channel. Thank you so much for watching.